Hello everyone, in this video we will explore the cart drawer feature of the Wizio Bundle app. To get started, open the app in your Shopify admin panel. And if you haven't installed it yet, use the link given in the description to install the app. Once installed, open the app and then click here on cart drawer. In cart drawer, you can simply customize the various sections that appears when your customer interact with the cart icon. Let's go through them step by step. First step you need to do is enable the cart drawer feature from here. Now, in cart header you can customize its appearance and text labels from here. You can check its preview in the right side. Then you can enable the cart announcement option from here and customize the appearance and text label from here, like this. Now if you want to display the countdown clock, enable the cart urgency timer and customize the same. In progress bar, you can customize the progress bar color from here. Then you can add discount tier rules by clicking on add more button. Select the discount type from here, add the price and define the discount value. In text label, you can define the discount tier labels. Turn on order note option to let customers add their personalized note. You can drag and drop to change the sequence of these 5 sections. Then, in cart items, you can customize its appearance and text label. Then, enable product recommendation option from here and then scroll down to set up the rules and select the product accordingly. Then you can choose the layout from here. Enable the discount box option to let your customers add a discount code. Next, enable free product option to offer a free product based on the setup rules you choose and then pick the product accordingly. Then in checkout there are various options you can make available for your customers. You can select accordingly. Then you can enable the float icon from here and customize its appearance from here. You can check its preview in the right side and make sure it's visually appealing and easy for your customers to understand. Once you are done, click on Save button to apply your customizations. Now click on View Your Online Store button from here to check how it will appear on your store. Click on the cart icon from here and here it's visible. That's it for the video. If you have any query or need setup related help, you can reach out to us through our email or chat support. Thank you.